Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Google Store application in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please proceed with the best match. Click on Open to continue. Once you have opened or bring up the Google's Chrome window, you need to proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see there are a list of the option. Go with this icon which contains the list of Google apps. From here, you need to scroll down and look for Store. Okay? But in case you haven't seen any of the store, similar with mine, you can click on this More from Google options, click on it, and by that you would be able to see here the Google Store. So you can now click on this forward arrow, and the moment you do that, you would be able to bring up your Google Store. Okay, you can now click on the language that you'd like to go with. Okay, so in my case, I'll be selecting English. Okay, click on continue. And the moment you do that, you would be redirected to the Google Store window itself. So from here, we need to install this as an application. So by that, you need to proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see these three dots. Click on it, and the moment you click on it, you need to scroll down and locate your cursor, which is cast, save, and share. The moment you do that, this left window would appear where here you need to proceed with this option called install page as application. So click on it, and the moment you do that, this small window would confirm you. But before clicking on install, you need to rename it first for easy identification. In my case, I'll be renaming it into Google Store itself. Once you have shortened the name, you can click on install. And once you do that, you would be able to bring up this window, which is at the Google Store itself, meaning that we have successfully installed it. Once you're done, you can now minimize or close the window and close the Google Chrome browser as well and check if it's being created. Here at the desktop screen, we have a new Google Store shortcut, and if I'll check that here at the bottom search bar and type for Store, we would be able to see it under the best matched, which is the Google Store application. Okay, so from here you can click on open. You can also open the file location. You can pin it to start, pin it to taskbar. So if you'd like to pin the Google Store to taskbar, you can simply click on yes to confirm, or you can simply decline that by clicking on no thanks. Okay, in my case, I won't pin that in my case. Once you are done, you can now go with the Google Store, and by here you can check the popular on Google Store. There you can see latest phones. Okay, anything that you'd like to search it here at the Google Store will be available for you. Okay, so you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.